Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question which is what would be the number of chromosomes of the Aleurone cell of a plant with 44 chromosomes in its root tip cells? Option A 69, option B 66, option C 74, option D 50. Now let us try to understand the question. It says what would be the number of chromosomes of the Aleurone cells of a plant with 44 chromosomes in its root tip cells. So first of all, we have to talk about the number of chromosomes of the Aleurone cells, and we also have to discuss about the 44 chromosome in case of root tip cells. Now let us understand what do we mean by Aleurone. What is Aleurone? Aleurone is nothing but the outermost layer of the endosperm. Outermost layer of endosperm. Endosperm. And where is the endosperm? This is within the ovule. Okay. And what is the function of endosperm? The endosperm actually it is involved in nourishment. Nourishment. But the outermost layer of the endosperm, which is called as aleurone, this is the one which will help in breaking down the starch and other component so as to be utilized by the growing embryo. Okay, so it actually, of course, it is involved in the nourishment, but it will produce or it will secrete enzymes necessary to break down the starch content and the other components which are present within the ovule, so as to be utilized by the embryo. Okay. Now, since it is the outermost layer of the endosperm, if you talk about the ploidy level of the endosperm, what is the ploidy level of endosperm? Endosperm is actually formed by it is a triploid cell, right? It is formed by the triple fusion. So it is formed by triple fusion where three nuclei fused together. So its ploidy level is 3n. That is, it is triploid in nature. Since Aleurone belongs to endosperm because the outermost layer of endosperm is called as Aleurone, so the ploidy level of Aleurone also will be 3n. Okay. Now, so in the question it says that with the 44 chromosome in its root tip cell. So here the root tip cells are nothing but the diploid cells. The root tip cells are diploid cells, that is 2n cells. And what is the 2n number here? They have given 44. So if the diploid number is 2n, okay, if we have to find out the 3n right here, so we have to look for the ploidy level of the aleurone, which is 3n. We have to look for the number of chromosome in that. So here, since diploid cell is having 2n and the total number of chromosomes is 44, so what will be n? N will be 44 divided by 2, that is equal to 22. Okay. 44 divided by 2 is 22. So the haploid number will be 22. But in case of aleurone, it is nothing but n into 3, right? Because n into 3. So what is n? N is nothing but 22 into 3. So what will be the answer? 66. So the 3n in case of aleurone will be equal to 66 chromosomes. Okay. So let us look at the option. Option A says 69, which is wrong. Option B says 66. Yes, that is the right answer according to our calculation. Option C says 74, which is again wrong. Option D says 50, which is again wrong. So the correct answer is option B, that is 66 chromosome will be found in the aleurone cells. Why? Because aleurone is a diploid cell because it is a part of endosperm. So let us conclude the answer. So the answer is, what is the answer? It is the answer that is option B, that is 66 chromosome. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you everyone.